Very good morning to all of you, and welcome to PreBell with Team William in India. Today, September 11, 2023, and a clear disclaimer that the registration granted by the SEBI, the membership of BASL, and the certification from NISM will no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of the return to investors. Investment in the security markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Okay, so Nifty 50, a very good setup over here since last 6 continuous sessions. So we are moving higher. एक बार जब ये 50 और 21 DMA एक साथ reclaim कर लिया था Nifty, and from there the rally has been good. Okay, and we are approaching the fresh all-time high. It looks like the way the Nifty is going. See, after 6 continuous days on a good volume move, एक दो दिन शायद अगर ऊपर नीचे होता है 100-200 पॉइंट, then that's fine. It's a healthy consolidation. So this patch also what we always called was a healthy consolidation. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं था कि this was a correction. Okay. So after this strong rally for 3-4 continuous months, when this एक डेढ़ महीने के लिए थोड़ा sideways movement, testing 50-200 DMA, right? That is a very good setup for the market, and that is what happened now. Now we are approaching the new highs. Let's see, we can do it very soon, or we might take a few days to reach that high. It can be today, tomorrow, or maybe even later this week or next week. That's a different thing. But broadly, we are in a very good shape. Nifty 50 is strong. Not only Nifty 50, but if you look at the broader market indexes, right? If you look at the Nifty mid cap, Nifty small cap, I think in last 8-9-10 days continuously, it has made a fresh high. Every day it is making new 52-week high. So the underlying strength is very good in the market. Also, पहले क्या था कि अभी distribution day count 6 to 7 हो गया था, और या almost 6, it was 6 at a time, एक दिन 7 भी हो गया था. ठीक है, the distribution day count is when the Nifty is down 0.2% on the volume higher than previous session. अभी ज्यादा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डे काउंट वीकनेस को एक दिखाते हैं, बट अभी क्या हुआ कि फ्राइडे को एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डे एक्सपायर हो गया. सो आफ्टर एवरी 25 सेशंस, ओके, आफ्टर एवरी 25 सेशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डे गेट्स एक्सपायर. सो अभी फिलहाल जो अभी का काउंट है, इट इज नाउ डाउन टू 5, and I think it might reduce further if we don't add more from here. But yes, if Nifty falls more than 0.2% on a volume higher than previous session, तो एक distribution day और add हो जाएगा. But as of now, 5 distribution day and way the broader market जो mid cap small cap का technicals है, Nifty का technical है, वहां से कोई major weakness नहीं है अभी. But then also you need to be careful. जो भी बहुत ही एक्सटेंडेड स्टॉक है, तो ज्यादा एक्सटेंडेड है, वहां पे थोड़ा प्रॉफिट बुकिंग कर सकता है. की न्यूज नॉट मच मेजर, बट यस, IRB infra's August toll collection growth was robust. Adani Enterprises signed a JV with Singapore's Kowa holding for ammonia and green hydrogen business. SJVN signs an agreement to develop the solar power project. And RVNL in IRCON, the railway stocks, not only these two, but other railway stocks again in focus, even L&T as the rail corridor to be set up between India, West, and Asia, Europe. And this G20 summit and also a lot of developments in G20 summit also that might impact the market. The global market, the US, after 2-3 sessions of fall, on Friday it holded, and closing was almost flat, but on the positive side, it was a flat on positive side closing. Now, if you look at the Asian market, it's a very muted start. So Kospi is up around 0.2%, Shanghai up 0.5%, and Nikkei is down 0.2%. So कोई global market से ऐसा तेजी का वाला या मंदी वाला कोई भी major indication नहीं है. So the markets might move on the Indian market might move on its own way. And if you look at the gift Nifty, so अभी red दिख रहा है, but broadly ऐसा नहीं है because it's 19,919. और अगर हमारा Friday, so these are the futures level. Always remember ये gift Nifty वगैरह का futures level होता है. So अभी 19,870 अराउंड अपना फ्राइडे का फ्यूचर्स क्लोजिंग था. ओके, 70-80 के बीच में. So in that sense, we might open some 30-40 points higher. उसके comparison में देखें तो we might open 30-40 points higher. So it might be a green start, but let's see if we can hold the gains and we move towards the 20,000 or not. So that's the point. And I think once we give breakout, वो जो 20,000 level में breakout बनेगा, so वो एक flag pole वाला resemble करेगा. I'm not saying exact structure बना है, but yes, it might resemble that structure और वहाँ से एक और momentum we can see in the coming weeks on the index. So now if we look at the stock of the day, Heritage Food, there has been a very good healthy consolidation. So एक यहाँ से जब कप विथ हैंडल पैटर्न से इसका ब्रेकआउट हुआ था तो एक अच्छा रैली था. 177.8 का ब्रेकआउट था एंड 280s में गया था. There was a strong momentum. Then now again it's forming a cup based pattern. Okay, even in that cup based pattern you can see the consolidation was very strong over here for almost a month or more than that. अच्छा consolidation हुआ. Overall, there was some accumulation during that consolidation as well. And Friday, it moved above that consolidation zone. Okay, on a volume which was very higher. So now it is just 5% to pivot, and this can be the part of the watch list as it crosses the pivot on higher volume. If you look at the ratings, the RS rating is very good at 83, buyer demand A. क्योंकि यहाँ पे accumulation अच्छा हुआ है during consolidation, so buyer demand is good. Number of fund holding is increasing, and if you look at the last couple of quarter result, it's been very good. And overall अभी जो demand है milk का, पनीर, घी, cheese, ठीक है, हर चीज का demand काफी robust है. So Heritage Food has a very strong base in southern part of the India, and there's been a really good growth you can see in the company. So the setup, the growth story, as well as the fundamental looks very good for Heritage Food. Let's see how it completes its 5% breakout होता है, किस volume पे होता है, and कितना sustain कर पाता है. So these are the important things to watch out. Okay, so thank you for joining the pre-bell session. See you tomorrow again at 8:45 a.m.